So today I'm going to talk about what to expect with a gingival graft. So a gingival graft is a procedure that we end up and do when, well, you don't have a whole lot of thick keratinized tissue right there. So you can see on the adjacent teeth, the gums are pretty good. They're nice and thick right there, and those are healthy. This is obviously not healthy. So because of the muscle pull, that frenum right there, because of the very thin attachment, it basically just pulled all of this attachment down. So we don't want that to continue, so we had to do something to correct it. What we ended up and did was a gingival graft, and we ended up borrowing some gum from elsewhere in the mouth. This one I think came from probably the upper palate or tuberosity area, and we were able to actually thicken that attachment up. So a lot of times we're able to take just thick enough grafts to where it doesn't hurt where we take it from, and we're able to actually thicken those up very, very nicely. And this case looks very good because, again, you can see that muscle was pulling down before. Now that muscle reattached at a lower level. So that is a healthy tooth right now. And that's a tooth where we can expect it to last a very long time. And an example of an implant. So this is an implant, very infected, very inflamed. The reason there was so much inflammation around that implant was because of the lack of attached gingiva, lack of gum around the tooth. Whenever there's a lack of gum around the tooth, it just pulls the gums open and it lets bacteria, and it just invites bacteria to get up underneath there, and it attaches to the implant, it'll attach to teeth. Same situation occurs on both. So what we ended up and did in this case is we did a nice gingival graft there as well. So that thickened up the attachment. We didn't really get any root coverage or implant coverage. That wasn't the purpose of this procedure at all. The purpose was to thicken the attachment up. So that way, this is a much healthier implant that's expected to last a very long time. So that's why gingival grafts are fantastic treatments for a lot of people there. So thank you very much.